How to fix GCash app by load unsuccessful. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on a simple way to fix GCash app by load unsuccessful issue. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. The first step you need to follow is open settings. Scroll down, locate apps, tap on it, and now select app management. Tap search bar and type in GCash. Open the app info page of GCash. Scroll down. Select storage uses and make sure to clear data and cache so that different glitches appeared on the application gets rid of. Come back to the app info section and you need to select battery uses. Tap force stop to force stop the app. Come back to the same page and tap open by default and make sure to enable open supported links button. Other thing you need to do is open Play Store or App Store and search GCash app. If you find any updates button, tap update to update it to the latest version. Lastly, there might be the device issues as well which is causing GCash app by load unsuccessful. You need to simply hold on the power button and then make sure to restart your device. By sliding towards restart, finally, you can easily check the Wi-Fi as well. Connect to the stable Wi-Fi connection. If Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch between mobile data and you can also toggle on the airplane mode for a while and turn it off later. This will fix your GCash app by load unsuccessful issue. Thank you for watching.